Para sa iyo, bilang isang kalahating Pilipino, kalahating Amerikano, anong masasabi mo sa mga differences ng American culture at Filipino culture?
Siguro yung hospitality. I would say with American people kasi parang like growing up in the Philippines, if I would go outside my house, meron akong agad kalaro kahit di ko kilala. You know, it could be like 7 a.m. pagkagising mo, you know, may nagka-karaoke agad and then, you know, there's people playing cards in the street and you know that kind of thing. There's a sense of home. There's a sense of community talaga. Dito sa US, parang kailangan mo mag-effort para may sense of community. If you don't try to look for the people, then you're never gonna find them. Of course, syempre yung, you know, like as far as being the kindness and that kind of thing, it's different dito sa US kasi I feel like everyone kind of just does their own thing. Kunwari, pumasok ka ng Starbucks, walang nag-interact. I'm just there to get my order, to order my drink, tas yun na yun. Pero sa Pilipinas, mapapansin mo na kahit pa paano, people are interacting with each other kahit di sila magkakilala.